Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix fast charging not working in Motorola G67. So before starting video, please subscribe the channel and like the video. So let's start the video without wasting time. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon, click on restart. After click on restart, restart your phone. Now go back. After that, enable fast charging. Open setting. Now in setting, scroll down, click on battery, scroll down, click on adaptive battery and turn on this button. After turning on this button, enable fast charging from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on system update, click on check for updates, click on got it. After click on got it, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, check charger. This is how you can fix fast charging not working in Motorola G67. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.